We are live. So hi Shail, hello Anish, how are you folks doing? Welcome to the Dapp Library. Um, this is a weekly show where we talk to the dApps that are being built on Shardeum, and so everybody who's listening, Point6 is one of such dApps. But maybe I think Shailesh, Anish, you can start with an intro and then take us through what exactly Point6 is. So over to you folks.
Yes, I think there's a bit of issue from the end of Shalendra. Just a second.
Yeah, sure.
Anisha, I think this got sorted. Now I'm able to hear you guys.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so thank you, Yash, for inviting us for this type library session. So I'll just talk about myself first, and then Anish will talk about himself, and then I'll be talking about what exactly this point 6 is. Okay, so first of all, thank you for the audience for joining this session. Uh, I am Shell. I have 10 plus years of experience in software, and I have been an early contributor of Shardeum, and then I decided to build something on the NFT space. And I've been I have basically worked with a couple of banking organizations, and also I worked with Wazirex, and then eventually I thought of starting this up. So here I am talking to you guys and building point 6. So, Anish, over to you.
Hi guys, I am Manish Agarwal. I'm a graduate from IIT Kharagpur, and I have around 2 plus years experience in the blockchain and combined software experience. I would say 4 years, and I'm working as a lead blockchain developer at PointSix currently, and I look after all the contract deployments and like how to make them gas efficient. And currently we are moving on to the we have the upgradable smart contracts deployed. So looking forward in collaboration with Charlie. Yeah. Over to you, Shalendra.
Sounds good. Sounds good. I think I'll take over. So as Shell mentioned that I think Shell we were together back in Wazir X when I think we were working together, right? But we never got the time to have a chat or something. So that's there. But anyway, welcome folks. So yeah, I think we can start with what exactly Point 6 is, and then we'll move ahead with a lot of other questions. So yeah, Shell, you can go ahead with that.
Sure. So I'll keep it simple and short. What exactly is point 6? So point 6 is basically a combination of two products. One is affordable NFT marketplace. Another is the utility builder. So what do I mean by utility builder? Most of us know that 99% of NFT project doesn't have a real life utility. So what we are going to do is we are building a platform where we will enable any NFT or any collection owner, or in fact any community member, to generate a utility for any of the NFT project. So that is one. And second is the marketplace. We know that the market leaders charge 2.5%, 2%, and they have some very strict policies, which are mainly centralized policies, which we are trying to tackle. We will have a very much affordable pricing in terms of platform fee, as well as it will be completely community driven. So mostly we are aligned with the thought of Shardeum as being a decentralized NFT marketplace. This is what we are building, and I'm really happy to answer the questions. And I'll be talking about the features maybe later on.
Sounds good, sounds good. I just want to understand. So, when you said, it's a utility builder, what exactly is a utility builder? Like, what kind of utilities are being built or something like that on Point 6?
Okay, imagine you have a collection. Okay, and apart from giving some merchandise and giving some a whitelist spot. You don't have much of utility in your NFT collection. So what you can do is you can come to our platform. You can simply build NFT. Simply build utility. These utility can be anything. We will have 50 plus templates. So imagine you want to talk to a person who is holding the maximum NFT from your collection. You can't simply do that. So what you can do in our platform, you can generate a utility. That person can come and claim that utility. That utility card, basically he will get all the details of how he can connect with the owner. This is one part of it. So let's say it is one-on-one call. Now let's say you're coming up with your another collection and you want to give a whitelist spot to top 100 NFT holders of your existing collections. We'll create a utility via our platform. Those 100 users or holders can come, then they can claim that utility, and they will be given a power to whitelisting spot, or maybe just free airdrops for those 100 users. These are the just use cases which I can think of right now, but you can think of as many utilities as possible. The platform will be open to generate a utility. Does
Uh,
that make sense?
yeah, so you mean like open contributions for utility building as well? Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Got it, got it. Interesting. Like that, I think that is something I've heard for the first time. But yeah, so what I would like to ask you folks is the people building Point 6. You folks already introduced yourself, but want to know, are there other people as well, or do you have a team, or how is it? How exactly is it right now?
So we were actually four people in the beginning. So I was handling the product basically and some of the building part. Anish right now taking care of back end and more of a building part. And we had one front end developer and one community manager who manages our Twitter and Discord. So overall, we have 4%. One is on and off as of now, but yeah, four is what we have as of now.
We are just getting started right now, so yeah, I want to ask you one more thing, which is, I think you have answered it in such a, like, you have answered it subtly, but again I want to understand why. So again, like, as I said, and you, as you mentioned, that there are so many marketplaces existing already, there are top market leaders. Why is Point 6 needed exactly?
Okay. Imagine this. You are trading 100 ETH. I'll give you a couple of examples on this. So, so imagine you are trading 100 ETH. What OpenSea will do is basically they will cut your 2%, that is 2 Ethereum. If you're buying something of 100 Ethereum, those 2 Ethereum gone to OpenSea. Now, if you talk about, let's say, LooksRare, okay, what LooksRare will do, they will say, okay, you just pay 0.5%, and eventually, what they say is, you pay 2%, but we will return you back. But they will not return you back your Ethereum or your native token. What they will do is they will return their own token, which is Looks. Okay, so they are actually holding the your L1 token, and they are simply giving you back their own token. So to cater all these problem, what we have thought of, why not make it much simpler, as in terms of platform fee. We're simply saying, okay, we will charge you 0.6%. That too, we are coming up with our NFT pass. So if you are a holder of NFT pass, you will be getting a discount of 50%. So eventually you will be paying, let's say, 0.3% for any trade. Okay, this is one part of it. Now, uh, imagine a utility builder. Now, no one talks about, or no NFT marketplace talks about utility, because that's not their job. Their job is to simply list NFTs, trade NFTs is what their job is. But what we are saying is, you have a platform where you can generate a utility for NFT, and that will be integrated in our marketplace. That means if you are a holder of Bored Ape, So what you will be seeing in your collection pages, how many utilities are generated for board A. Okay, so it will give us, or it will give that collection very much value in terms of utility, because people will start buying collections which actually has some real life utilities. So that integration is something we are making it uniquely. So this is second benefit. Third is similar to centralized exchange. What we have done is we are coming up with this referral program where if you are simply referring 100 of users, and if those users are doing some trade, you will be rewarded with the platform fee. Basically, it's sort of a rebate which you can get. That is something no one has as of now in marketplace, in terms of market leaders. So these are the three advantages, and we have few more things which are more of benefits, I can say. Maybe we can talk about later on, or you want me to talk about that as well?
I think we can save it for the later. So I just wanted to understand. You meant there's something called rebate. So what exactly it is? Like, let's say if I refer somebody, and let's say 10 people join in. Um, so do they get like I mean a refund or an off or something on their transaction fee? That's what you're saying, right?
They will, it's like you refer 10 people, okay? So what you will be getting as a referrer is you will be getting their transactions 50% value. Meaning, not exactly transaction, as in if they are paying 0.6% to the platform, you as a referee will get up to 50%, like up to 0.3% of their trading, whatever the transaction they are making.
Sounds interesting. Um,
It's like Binance, or
yeah,
uh, you refer someone in
yeah,
Binance or in
mm-hmm,
WazirX, you get something, right?
yeah, yeah. Makes
It's
sense.
exactly same.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, I was, that was on my mind as well. So coming to one more question, I think you folks launched. You've been building on Shardeum from a very long time now. So want to understand how has been the community response so far in terms of users, in terms of growth, in terms of users on your platform. Just give us an idea of that, or just give us some numbers or something that you can tell us about that.
Yeah. So in terms of community, we got a very good response from the community. In the initial days itself, we got 22,000 registration in our platform before we actually moved any product. Okay. The moment we moved product, out of those 22,000, we actually got almost 2,500 plus wallets, which did some sort of activity in our platform. And in the start, before the reset of, let's say, this Liberty, we did reset, right, Liberty. So at that time, probably 25,000 or 30,000 NFT mint got happened with us, and then things got slowed down because we got some resets in the chain. And so these are the numbers. And in terms of community response, and how exactly, what exactly we are getting from the community is the support. What we are getting is phenomenal. Uh, we are basically getting a lot of feedbacks from the users about the product, or about how we can make it better. So that is something really helpful for us, because we are in a building phase, and if we get a early feedback, and we are definitely getting early feedback from the Shardium users. Yeah, there's always a chance of improvement, and we are seeking some more users. And because of that, we will be very soon coming up with this referral program. We hope to see a good amount of users coming in into our platform, but we are just making sure that our platform is very much capable to handle that users, and we deliver a lot of features before users jumps in into our platform.
Sounds good. Actually, this is what I feel as well. As we are on testnet right now, yeah, things might reset. I mean, there will be a lot of ups and downs, but I think this is a very good time for not just Shardium, but all the ecosystem dApps in general to get more feedback, to work on, to just deliver out the best product out there. So I think this is a very good time for you folks as well. um I just so like, okay, we will talk about other things as well now. So I want to understand what are your strategies once the we are expecting a network soon. So I want to understand, what are some of your strategies that you are planning to implement, or yeah, you're planning to implement in order to grow point 6 once we are live, of course.
Okay, so see, everyone is behind airdrops, right? People, not everyone, as in most of them are
I
behind airdrops.
Yeah, I saw on your Twitter it says get airdropped. Do spill the tea about that as well.
So thing is, let's say you are interacting with, let's say Shardeum chain altogether. As of now, we don't know that people will get some like this is controversial. This can be a controversial statement, but maybe I am completely wrong here. So maybe people who are interacting with Shardium can get some airdrops. Okay, that is something I can't basically comment on. But yeah, if you as in any user is interacting with point 6, we are going to come up with a point system. Okay, this point system basically you can accumulate as and when you use our platform. So let's say if we are right now in testnet, the more you use our platform, you will accumulate a lot of points. That points you can see in the dashboard very soon. Also, you will be those points, right? We'll be maintaining all those points, and the moment we go mainnet, now I'm not sure about Shardium, but we are going to release our own token, and those token, this is gonna be airdrop that maybe it can be one on one or 1:1 or 1:2 tokens, depending on coins or the points which you are holding, and that is something a user can definitely get benefited out of point 6. So it is for those who are the early tester of our point 6, or I can say the OGs. They are definitely gonna get benefited like a very good amount in terms of tokens, and that will be our strategy. The moment we are in mainnet, we will roll this out very soon, and we'll try to attract a lot more users. So this is in terms of marketplace, and in terms of utility builder. The moment we are going mainnet, we already have a couple of influencers. We have talked with them. What we'll do is we'll try to onboard them, and we'll ask them to generate their own utilities. Now there is a twist that even though let's say those influencers or anyone who is not even holding any NFT, they can generate some utilities. That will be sort of a paid utilities, because it is possible that you being a fan of some influencer, and if you want to talk to them, you may you may pay something to that influencer, and we can basically make that happen between influencer and you. We can be a platform where they will generate a utility via our platform, and you can directly interact with them. This is one sort of utility. We have listed down a couple of influencers. We'll be reaching out to them. We'll explain them, and we'll onboard them into our platform so that more we can reach out to more audience.
That's a lot, huh? Sounds good. Okay, so I think we have had enough of chats. How about you share your screen, take us through point 6? Are you folks live? Like, I think you must be live on Dapp testnet already. So how about you take us through, that?
Yeah, sure. Just give me one moment.
Hmm. So Shell, are you the one who's sharing the screen?
Yeah, I'll be sharing.
Okay, awesome.
So Anish will be helping me out. Let's say I want to buy something, or let's say I want to sell something. So
Mm-hmm.
Anish will help me out. I'm just sharing my screen.
Yeah.
let me know once you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Perfect. So
Oh wow.
we simply created one demo URL for this session. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm using two accounts. This is one, and this is second account. Okay. Now this is how our home screen looks like, and I was talking about this that we have this many user registered, and this is the NFT listed. Okay, and maybe because of resets, we might see the less numbers. Now we have some feature collection. This is again on a test basis. Okay, it is not mainnet ones. These are the uh, basically a Gorley one. Now, though we have deployed in Shardeum, right now I'm seeing stuff from the Sepolia chain because it supports EVM because of the speedness. And then we have this trending collection. You might not see this in the live platform, like in point6.org. This is for demo. We are coming up with this trending collection piece as well, like what you see, the collections which are trending in OpenSea and then Ruxen and in the point6. And then this is our roadmap and what exactly why basically one should prefer with us. So I was talking about fees, right? We will have a less fees. So there will be basically two tiers of user. One tier will be elite users, which won't pay a dime to us in terms of platform fee. Okay, we have more details about how you can become an elite user in our Discord. So if you want to be, we want to become one, do make sure you join our Discord. And there are a couple of campaigns or the events which are going on. Based on that, you can probably get elite users or some other roles as well. And this is 3 clicks where I was talking about how a creator will be able to define their own NFT utility. This will be as simple as that, just 3 clicks and boom, you're up and ready with your own utility. We are going to come up with a referral plan as well, where it can be a sort of passive income or you can consider a recurring income, even though if you're not even trading. These are the uh, tier of users: VIP, VVIP, and elite. So VIP users will have up to 3x trading fee discount. VVIP users can get up to 20x a discount on their platform fee. So base is basically we 2% or 2.5%. So it will be less than 20x less basically from 2%. And elite will definitely have a free no basically no trading fees. And these are the sum of benefits what user can get. And I'll be showing basically what I'll be doing. I'll be showing you how we basically mint an NFT, and then I can list an NFT, and then maybe Anish will buy that NFT. So let's say
Sounds good. I think I can't see your screen right now, Shell. I can only
no.
see, yeah, I can only see, the offerings bar open. I mean, the offerings tab open. I'm not sure if Anish can also see the same.
Yeah, it's the same with me. I think it's a black screen for me actually.
Okay, got
Okay,
it. So maybe it's some internet issue from Shell's end.
okay, let me disconnect and share back.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good. The referral thing really boosts users and like the organic users to your platform. So this really looks good to me. Yeah, we are back.
Yeah, perfect. So let's say I'll not show you the mint in that case because the moment I open this wallet, maybe something happened with the screen share. So what I'll do is I have already minted one NFT. Maybe not here. I'll show you. So basically, this NFT is basically what you're seeing, right? These are the listed ones. So other users are listed for let's say 50 ETH, 1 ETH. Okay, so if I move to Shardeum chain, it will show Shardeum, but the deployment is not done yet in Shardeum. We are facing some issue with the new Dapp chain basically. So I'll be showing in the ETH. So let me quickly show. Okay. So if you see, I have one listed NFT. This one, sorry, this is the minted NFT pedal, and then you can see I have a listed NFT, Ocean Gate. So what it says is I am into my profile. I have two NFTs with me. One is something which I have not listed, and another is something I have listed. Now if you see, if I open this, I will be able to cancel the listing. This is the price of that NFT which I have set, and this is the um, details of that particular NFT. Now if I show you this one, it will be again the same thing, where you see properties. It says that okay, what is the color? Purple. So this is exactly we call it attributes. Okay, so this will tell us what all properties this particular NFT has. Now imagine I have listed that Ocean Gate. Okay, so this is the Ocean Gate which is listed. Now I am into another account, and that's the reason I'm saying seeing this buy now button. Now, for now, what we are showing, if you buy it from OpenSea, you will get you have to pay 2.5%. If you buy it from LuxRare, you have to pay 2%. But with us, this will be the 0.6. This can reduce. This can reduce very well if you are holding one of the passes of us. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to buy this. So let's say if I confirm this will go to my profile, and right now the transaction is going on, so that's why if you see it's not happening as of now. But once this this transaction is completed, now this is completed, I can basically check it. You see, I got that in my warehouse. That means this got bought. Now if I show you from here the user's account, the other account, it will not have that listed one. Now I need to just refresh. So this will be the paddle, and okay, it's still showing, but let me just check. Okay, it takes a little bit of time to reflect. We'll see that in a minute, because you might know that on-chain transactions take time. So meanwhile, I'll show you something else as well. So this was about a profile. This is about the gallery, and mint is how you can mint. Now I'll show you the invite part. This thing, this particular invite piece, refer and commission, refer and end, it is not live, and we are going to make it live very soon. So what you can do is it's simple. All you have to do is if your wallet is not connected, you need to just connect the wallet. Share this link. This link will be auto generated. It is copied. You can simply paste it over here. You see, this is your referral link, and either or you can simply share it via Twitter, or you can share it via WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram. That's it. All a user has to do is he has to log in, he has to connect to PointSix, and if he connects the wallet, that's it. You are basically you basically referred a person, and you will be able to see your stats over here. How many people you have referred, and how many or whatever how much you have earned is something you will see. You will also find the leaderboard of the same. How many who's the top referrer, something you will see. And very soon, maybe this we will release within a week or so, and after another week or so, we will release our point system where you will be able to um, basically make offer, or you will basically start accumulating points. So the operation which I did, right? Let's say if I minted it, you will get some points for that. If you listed your tokens, you will get some points for that. If you are making an offer to any of the collections or any of the NFT, then again you will be getting some points. So all you have to do is you have to accumulate the points. The more points you have, once we go mainnet, once we release our tokens, you will get 1:1 airdrop with our tokens for sure. That is the guarantee which I we can say. And if you see, you can also explore the other collections. So this is, let's say, Azuki. Again, this is all testnet, nothing is mainnet. You can simply see, you can scroll down. Because this is not listed, it says not listed, its number. You can also search for some collections over here. Let's say if I'm looking for board ape, so it will give you board ape and whatnot, everything it will give you. So these are the features which are live. If you see board ape, so the images and all these are not there, but maybe you will see some glitches, but few things are there because this is a demo link. Some bug you can see. Now let me
After all, we are on
just,
testnet, so it doesn't matter.
yeah, yeah. So everything is on testnet as of now.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, it will be a perfect running code in the prod environment. And once we go mainnet, maybe I'm connected to the
Cool.
same wallet.
Got it, got it. I just want to ask you one more question, and I think so. I've been also looking at a few. I mean, all the projects that are being built on Shardium. Haven't found. I mean, there used to be an NFT marketplace, but I think PointSix is the only premier NFT marketplace on Shardium right now. Am I right here?
Yeah, that's right. As of now, live marketplace, we are the only one. There's no live as in with some good features.
Got it, got it. Makes sense. So why am I asking this particular question is because now you need to. There are so many good NFT projects that I am aware of who are coming to Shardium. There are multiple blue chip projects that are that will launch on Shardium once the testnet is live. So I think you'd really wanna get all those NFTs to your platform.
Yeah, we are actually looking for those projects. It's
Mm-hmm.
just that we are not actually finding such projects as of now on the testnet. If we get those projects, we are very much happy to show them in our platform, because right now we are simply running via our own collections, but we really want to onboard other collections as well.
Sounds good. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of things. I'm super excited for it. Just want to ask you, one final question. So usually what I ask is, how are you? Are you prepared for Shardium mainnet? But currently, since we are launching our new testnet, so are you folks ready for it? And are you going? Are you gonna go live along with the, all the announcements and everything?
On the testnet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are definitely ready, and it's just that um, matter of probably 10 minutes to deploy the smart contracts what we have, and boom, we will be up and ready. So we have written our tech team is pretty much solid. We have built everything in such a way that the moment we deploy our smart contract onto that chain, it will be up and running. We don't have to do any changes on front end, back end, or anything.
Sounds good, interesting. So I can see one question here. Maybe you can answer them, and I think we should be ready to go. Then I just have one more question that I wanted to ask you. It's about the Sphinx. Have you ever run a node on Shardium, or and if you have, how has been your experience so far?
So we actually haven't run validator on Sphinx, but yeah, we have deployed our smart contracts on Sphinx, and things were working smoothly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I can see DK Singh asking a question. Maybe you can answer that particular question.
Sure. Okay. So the question says when you say one is to one token, is this Shardeum token or native token? So that will be our native token. That it's not Shardeum token. Shardeum token is something maybe Yash can answer. We are not certain at this moment. But for
I
our,
got
we will be
answer.
coming up with our native token that will be get airdropped depending on how many numbers or points you have accumulated by using our platform.
Sounds good, sounds good. Talking about Shardium tokens, maybe you'll have to stay longer with us, contribute with us, and we'll see how this goes. So, I think that's pretty much it. What we wanted to talk about. I think I have covered all the questions. Shailesh, Anish, if you have anything in the end, let us know. This particular video will be uploaded on YouTube as well. So, people who haven't seen this, they can go and watch it there. Yeah, Shailesh, Anish, would you like to say something before we end this?
Anish, you want to?
Yeah, like just as a including statement, so we are coming up with certain features that Shalendra mentioned. So some of the exclusive features include the make offer feature, like which attracts a lot of users, and along with that, the points and the referral system which Shalendra mentioned. So we have covered most of the parts of that, and most probably it will take 2 weeks at max to come up with all these features. And definitely, it was a lovely session to like make people aware of the utilities that we are coming up with. So so normally like other marketplaces are just the marketplaces where we can trade, but here we can see the benefits of the NFTs that we are holding. So yeah, it was a lovely experience, and looking forward to having such meetups again. Yeah.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more in the tank once we are live. So I think yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much everybody who joined in. We'll see you another week with a new Dapp Library episode. Till then, bye everyone. Take care.